everyone, it's again Ashish from ashvircreations and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna give you Thatkris inspired mobile Lightroom preset, PC Lightroom preset as well as the camera preset. This preset I personally handcrafted for you guys. If you don't know who is Thatkris, then search on Instagram. He is really an amazing fashion blogger and amazing photographer and editor. The photos are very much very orange and black tone effect which you can easily create in Lightroom. So you can see the most of the photos are very much oranges with skin tone is very much saffron color like tone. So in this video I'll just do this kind of color grading with the help of my preset which I personally handcrafted for you guys. And guys, if you still not follow, then just follow that on Instagram. So guys, now all you have to do is just download this Thatkris inspired mobile Lightroom preset. When you will open the folder, you will get the DNG preset file. Now we're gonna install the desktop Lightroom preset. So just right click on it and select extract here, and also the camera preset, and just right click on it and select extract here, so it will extract the folder. When you will open the folder, you will find FP stands for filter preset, Thatkris inspired AVC 2020. Now just copy this preset .lr template is the extension for your Lightroom for your desktop. Now we're gonna install this preset to the Lightroom. So just right click on it and select copy, go to the C drive, select the user, go to the ashvircreations, go to the app data folder, select the roaming, go to the Adobe and select the Lightroom folder. Now go to the develop preset, and here you can paste inside any of the preset folder, but I have already created one folder, that is FP 2020 AVC. Now I'm gonna just paste this preset to here. So just right click on it and select paste. Now we're gonna do the same process of installing the camera preset. So just download this the rare file. .xmp is the extension for your camera preset for Photoshop. So just right click on it and select the copy, and here instead of Lightroom we're gonna just go to the camera and just go to the settings and just paste that preset over here, that is FP Thatkris inspired AVC 2020. Now just close all the window and restart your Lightroom, and let's see how it actually looks if you apply the preset to your photos. So here is, I have already imported the photo to my Lightroom. So I'm gonna just apply this preset to this photo. So just go to the preset tab, and from here you can just go to the FP Thatkris inspired AVC stands for ashvircreations 2020. Now just click on this preset and you are done. You can see the difference. It is really looking very much perfect black and gold effect or kind of saturated orange effect to the photo, which is really making your photos to look very cool, guys. Let's try it on some other photograph. Let's just try it on this photo, or let's just try it on this photograph. Just click on this preset and you are done. You can see the difference. It is really making a perfect black and gold effect to your photos, and it is really making it look more and more similar and amazing tone, guys. You can see the difference, guys. Here is the photo just like him, and here we have already we have created similar color effect just like him. So here is the photo. We are really inspired the color effect from him. So you can see the difference, guys. You can also apply it to some other portraits. Let's try it on this photo. Just click on this and you are done. You can see the difference, guys. It is really looking very amazing. Let's try it on one couple photograph. Just click on this and you are done. You can see the difference, guys. Really, this preset is a dope preset. Let's try it on this photograph. Just click on this and you are done. So just like this way, guys, you can apply the preset and just turn your photos to amazing look. So you can see the difference. Let's try it on this photo. Just click on this preset and you are done. You can see the difference, guys. Let's try it on this. So here is the before and here is the after. It is really an amazing preset. amazing color effect you can use in your Instagram profile and just stand out from the rest. Let's try it on this. Wow guys, this one is really a dope preset. So you can see the difference. Let's open the Photoshop and let's try the same preset with the help of camera filter in Photoshop. So just restart your Photoshop. Now let's open some of the photographs or the images and let's see how it actually looks. So here are some of the images which we're gonna use to our photograph to edit. Now go to the filter, select the camera filter from there and just go to the settings, and from here just go to the FP Thatkris inspired. Here is the FP. Here is the FP Thatkris inspired. So guys, you can see the difference. Here was a kind of perfect kind of bluish effect, and it is totally turned into an amazing black and gold effect. So just hit OK and you are done. Let's try it on this photo. Just click on the filter, select directly the camera filter, so it will automatically select the previous preset which you have selected in camera. So you no need to go to back and all. So you can see the difference guys. Here is the before and here is the after. It is really looking very amazing. Let's try it on this photo. Go to the filter, select directly the camera filter and you are done guys. You can see the difference. Here is the before and here is the after. So guys, I hope you all have enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, then just smash the like button, and if you still not subscribed yet, then subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified of videos and presets. Also visit our website, that is www.ashvircreations.com. From there also you're gonna find new backgrounds, camera preset, Lightroom preset, LUTs and many more cool photo editing as well as video editing stuff for free. Also guys, don't forget to visit our second website which we're gonna launch soon, that is filterpreset.com. On that website also we're gonna upload soon the most creative and the powerful presets. So stay tuned on that website also. And also guys, don't forget to follow us on Instagrams. Just type ashvircreations. So guys, thank you for watching and bye bye till the next video. Till then guys, be creative and be awesome.